Meet the naked mole rat, possibly the strangest animal on the planet and one that may hold the keys to extreme human longevity. They don't age, they don't get cancer, and they can survive without oxygen for over 15 minutes. Sounds like a superhero, right? Welcome to Longevity Insights. We'll keep you up to speed on the latest biohacks and what's next in the future of longevity. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss an episode. Let's go to Christian for all the details.
Thanks, Adam. Let's get into it. This one's weird, wild, and packed with insight. So, yes, naked mole rats are strange. However, their unique biology could unlock significant breakthroughs in combating aging, cancer, and chronic diseases. Here are 6 strange facts about the naked mole rat. 1. They don't age like we do. No increase in mortality over time. Most animals get more fragile with age. Not naked mole rats. Their odds of dying don't change, even into their 30s. 2. Cancer resistance. Their tumors don't stand a chance. Their cells produce an ultra-dense form of hyaluronan. This sticky molecule prevents overcrowding, a key trigger for tumor growth. 3. Low oxygen superpower. They survive up to 18 minutes with no oxygen. When oxygen disappears, their bodies switch to a plant-like metabolism. They burn fructose instead of glucose to sustain their cell's life. 4. Pain resistance. They barely feel any pain. They're missing key neurotransmitters, which makes them immune to things like acid burns and chili peppers. Less pain may also mean less chronic inflammation. 5. Cold-blooded mammals. They break the warm-blooded rule. Unlike most mammals, they don't regulate body temperature. Instead, they match their environment, slowing metabolism and reducing wear and tear on cells. 6. Longevity genes in action. Their cells stay young. Naked mole rats possess elite stress response systems and top-tier DNA repair capabilities. These internal defenses may be why they show little to no age-related decline.
Thanks, Christian. And those are some incredible facts. Researchers aren't just fascinated, they're looking for ways to bring these mole rat top-tier DNA into human medicine. And the possibilities aren't that far in the future. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you'd like a deeper dive into any of these traits in a future episode. The information provided in this video is a compilation of various sources and has been condensed for ease of understanding. This content is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen or treatment.